Hello guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. Now for this video, I will now start a new series called Windows Server Basics. So for Windows Server Basics, I will demo or demonstrate all the basic principles or the basic features of Windows Server 2008 in a virtual machine. So for this series, we'll be using Oracle VirtualBox Manager as our virtual machine manager. So without further ado, let's go. So first, let's create a new virtual machine first, and let's name it. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm gonna name it Win 2008. Then server. Then I'll put my name there. Then I'm gonna put an ISO image. I'm gonna put the ISO image later, but you can change the VM folder if you want. So since I'm using an external drive, I'm gonna change my VM folder. But again, it's on your own preference if you want to change your VM folder. So I'm gonna use this folder, this directory, to install my virtual machine. Then afterwards, 2008 64-bit, then OS Microsoft Windows. That's right. So we can go to next. By the way, this OS version is automatically set when you named your VM name, your virtual machine. Then press next. There we go. Now we're going to specify virtual hardware. So for base memory, I would like to crank it up. You can crank it up if you wish to. I'm gonna make it 4 gigs. Then for this size, I'm gonna try to make it as 40. Then press next. Then this is a summary of the virtual machine. Then just click finish. Then we are set on the virtual machine. So what we're gonna do now is go to settings. Check everything first. This is correct. This is correct. Correct. This is correct. So we just need to add the Windows 2008 server ISO. So this is the ISO that we have. Then press open, and then choose, then remove this empty attachment. Now it's gonna be read as and set up this. Next, afterwards, check for display. It's 100%, so that's right. And you can make it 200 if you want to make it larger. Then afterwards, go to network. It's more considerably good if we use a um, internal network, but since I don't have an internal network, I'm using a NAT for this demonstration. But it's better if you use an internal network. So just press OK afterwards, and then start the server. Start the virtual machine, so you can install Windows 2008 server. It's gonna take a moment to open. Okay, now it's opening. Windows 2008. Let's pause this. Windows Server 2008. Right, so here we go. We are on the installation of Windows Server 2008. So first we need to check the language installed. This is right. Time and currency, English 2 and US, so that's right. So we can just press next. Then let's press install now to install Windows Server 2008 in our virtual machine. There we go. So setup is now starting for the virtual machine. Then we're gonna choose in anything from this operating systems. So I'm gonna use enterprise since this is best used in a large basis, and in employee or company basis. This is better rather than other types of Windows Server 2008. So this is more complete in a retrospect. So we will choose that and press next. But if you want a standard one, a server for data centers and a server for webs, only for websites, etc., use the other types. But for now, since I'm going to use everything, I'm going to use enterprise. So press next. There we go, license terms. Then just press I accept. Then next. Then we have two options. Upgrade, it means it's gonna install Windows, but it's gonna keep the file settings and applications that you have in the previous one. We don't need that since we don't have a Windows back then, and this is a pirated copy. So we will be using custom, so we have the full control in installing Windows. So let's press custom. There we have the unallocated space. So what we need to do now is just press new, then put the size that you wish. So I want to put, let's say, 30,000, then 30 gig. Then press apply. Then ensure which correctly Windows my relational partitions. So it's when you create a partition, it's gonna create another partition to ensure the features of Windows Server 2008 will work correctly. So if we press OK, we will see it right now. There it is, the partition system reserved. This is to ensure the features of the Windows Server 2008 is working. There is a system reserve allocated. Then we have another unallocated space. You just press new, then just press apply. So this is a partition tree. You can install it. You can't install it here because it's already we need at least 1.3 13 gigabytes of space to install Windows. So we'll be using drive 0 partition 2. So what we're gonna do first is we need to format those two first. So just press format, so we can ensure that it is formatted well. Then also with partition 3, format it, so we can use it later on as a second disk or drive. So in partition 2, we just press next, then it's gonna install Windows Server. better interface, better features, just install them on.